What happens to your body when you drink turmeric water every day? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: the incredible health benefits of incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine. Turmeric water is a simple yet powerful brew made by infusing water with a vibrant yellow spice known as turmeric. This spice, commonly found in our kitchen, has been valued for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine for its remarkable properties. At the heart of turmeric potency lies its active compound, curcumin, which possesses a range of beneficial features, from its potent antioxidant properties that help combat free radicals and oxidative stress to its remarkable anti-inflammatory effect. Turmeric water offers a natural, accessible way to improve our overall well-being. So, grab a glass of turmeric water and join us as we explore the amazing benefits it can provide for your health. Please note that the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as medical advice. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more insightful content. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Turmeric water, infused with powerful active ingredient curcumin, offers a natural and effective way to manage inflammation and pain. Curcumin's exceptional anti-inflammatory properties can work wonders in reducing inflammation and provide relief to various conditions. By inhibiting inflammatory enzymes, turmeric water helps alleviate discomfort associated with arthritis, joint pain, and even chronic inflammatory diseases like asthma. When consumed regularly as turmeric water, curcumin is absorbed by the body, allowing it to target inflammation at its source. This targeted approach helps in mitigating pain and promoting overall well-being. Turmeric water acts as a soothing medicine, providing a gentle and gradual reduction in inflammation over time. Incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine allows you to harness the full potential of curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects. Consistency is the key, as the benefits of turmeric water accumulates gradually, offering a sustained impact on managing inflammation and pain. Number 2. Enhanced digestive health. If you are struggling with digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion, turmeric water can be a natural remedy to consider. The curcumin compound found in turmeric plays a significant role in promoting digestive health. One of its key actions is stimulating the production of bile in the liver, which is crucial for breakdown and absorption of fats in the digestive system. Bile acts as an emulsifier, breaking down dietary fats into smaller molecules that can be more easily digested and absorbed by the body. By enhancing bile production, turmeric water supports the efficient digestion and utilization of fats, preventing them from lingering in the digestive tract and potentially causing discomfort. Apart from aiding in fat digestion, turmeric water can help alleviate symptoms of bloating, gas, and indigestion. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, soothing the lining and promoting better digestion. Turmeric water also supports the balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for optimal digestion and overall gut health. Number 3. Boost immune system. A healthy immune system is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. When it comes to strengthening your body's natural defenses, turmeric water can be a valuable ally. The active compound found in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to stimulate the production of various immune cells, including T cells, B cells, and natural killer cells. T cells play a crucial role in recognizing and destroying infected or abdominal cells in the body. By promoting the production of T cells, turmeric water enhances your immune system's ability to identify and eliminate harmful pathogens. B cells, on the other hand, are responsible for producing antibodies that neutralizes viruses, bacteria, and other foreign substances. Turmeric water helps stimulate the production of these essential B cells, supporting your immune response. Additionally, natural killer cells are a vital component of the immune system's defense against infections and diseases. These cells target and destroy infected cells, providing a crucial line of defense. By supporting the production of natural killer cells, turmeric water further strengthens your body's ability to fend off harmful invaders. Regular consumption of turmeric water can be particularly advantageous during cold and flu seasons, when our immune system may require extra support. Number 4. Potential cancer prevention. Emerging research reveals turmeric's curcumin may possess anti-cancerous properties, inhibiting cancer cells growth and preventing breast, colon, and prostate cancer. More research is needed, but turmeric water could contribute to cancer prevention. Curcumin's mechanism involves targeting multiple pathways involved in cancer development, including cell proliferation, apoptosis, and angiogenesis. Studies demonstrate curcumin's ability to interfere with cancer cell signaling, inhibit tumor growth, and induce programmed cell death. Furthermore, curcumins exhibit anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, reducing oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. Linked to cancer progression, turmeric water's regular consumption ensures a consistent curcumin intake, potentially enhancing its preventive effect. However, it's crucial to complement turmeric water with a well-balanced lifestyle, including a healthy diet, regular exercise, and routine medical checkups. Number 5. Improved skin health. Turmeric water offers a natural solution for healthy and radiant skin. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties effectively combat acne, reduce redness, and alleviate inflammation, resulting in a rejuvenated and youthful appearance. Moreover, turmeric water aids in wound healing and provides relief for skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. By incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine, you nourish your skin from the inside out, promoting a natural and vibrant glow. Its active compound, curcumin, works to enhance the skin's health and resilience. Turmeric water's powerful properties penetrate deep into the skin, soothing irritations and promoting overall skin health. Make turmeric water your skincare ally and embrace the transformative benefits it offers for a complexion that radiates with vitality. Number 6. Heart healthy. Maintaining a healthy heart is vital, and turmeric water proves to be a valuable supporter. Curcumin, present in turmeric, helps lower cholesterol levels, preventing plaque buildup in arteries and reducing the risk of heart disease. Its potent antioxidant properties shield the heart from oxidative stress and inflammation. By incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine, you take a proactive step towards promoting cardiovascular health. Turmeric inhibits the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, preventing the formation of harmful plaques in blood vessels. Moreover, it enhances the production of nitric oxide, which promotes blood vessel dilation and lowers blood pressure. Turmeric water's anti-inflammatory effects further safeguard the heart by reducing chronic inflammation, a known risk factor for heart disease. Number 7. Brain health and cognitive function. Turmeric water benefits not only the body but also the brain. Curcumin, the active compound in the turmeric, crosses the blood-brain barrier, providing antioxidant protection against oxidative damage and inflammation. Regular consumption of turmeric water may improve cognitive function, including memory and mental clarity. It shows potential in reducing the risk of age-related brain disorders like Alzheimer's disease. By incorporating turmeric water into your routine, you support brain health and potentially prevent cognitive decline. Further research is needed for fully understand the extent of turmeric water's impact on the brain. Consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, particularly if you have been underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Number 8. Mood enhancement and stress reduction. In our fast-paced life, finding ways to manage stress and uplift our mood is crucial. Turmeric water can contribute to its aspect as well. Curcumin, the active compound in the turmeric, has been associated with the elevated levels of brain-derived neurotropic factor. This protein plays a vital role in promoting the growth of new neurons and supporting mental well-being. By incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine, you may experience notable improvements in mood, reduce stress levels, and an overall enhanced sense of well-being. The presence of curcumin in turmeric helps regulate neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are closely linked to mood regulation and happiness. Additionally, curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. By enjoying a refreshing glass of turmeric water regularly, you can proactively support your mental health, manage stress, and cultivate a positive mindset among the demands of modern life. In conclusion, we have explored 8 remarkable health benefits that come with incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine. From its powerful anti-inflammatory properties to its potential in cancer prevention, promoting heart health, enhancing skin health, and even supporting brain function and mood enhancement. Turmeric water offers a wide array of advantages for your overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key when reaping these benefits. So, make turmeric water an integral part of your daily routine. Stay tuned for more enlightened videos like this. We appreciate your viewership. Thank you for watching this video.